Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max, and I'm with the one and only Lama, Rep Pajama, Mr. Sober Pay to Play, and the bell, ding, 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 ding. It is 9:30 in the morning.
Okay, 100. I'm in sales.
It's October 30th, the day before Halloween. And we are live. I love the short. I don't know if you guys saw the screenshot already, but Big Daddy Max, I am up $27,000 on an overnight short.
I just secured $1,000 per account already. I'm leaving one micro running at break even 104. See if it gives a continuation. I have an area of interest here. It could possibly reverse from, and it's cruising. I'm like 150 ticks in profit already. Rebarring through. Hold on.
This 3-bar short looks hella cheesy.
If it breaks the low, I might scale into it. I have one mini running sitting at 104. Pending order triggered me really nice.
But if it gets above 96, could go long.
Yeah, I'm gonna adjust positions at 97 right there. I want to have it a little bit higher to give it room. I'd rather just go break even and let it run far than like trail close on one mini. I'll put
Right.
it like $200.
Right.
For the $200, I'd rather just let it ride, see if it goes.
That thing hits or not, right? That's it's not a bad idea. SPX popped back up there.
100 ticks, bro. Loading 100 ticks.
And Q is dumping. Oh my God. Beautiful treesy llama. Beautiful treesy llama. You got to be up big right now, dog.
Up 750 on. I have one mini. It's just up 750. I collected partials on everything already. I'm gonna trail stop at like 53 at 83 and see if we can get a continuation dumper. I have areas of interest at 45, so I could go for 20 more points.
Oh, there it goes. Oh,
there it goes. On one mini. Already partial out.
That boy's cooking with gas.
Yep, we're 206 in profit. We're at the 50. It's a strong area. I'm gonna trail here at 62. 63, just they pulled me out, motherfucker, bro.
That was a nice trade, twin.
Nice. Yeah,
that short looks good. That short looks good. That short is good. That short is good. Nice.
And I trailed it too close. I gotta wait for the candle to print there, bro. Version.
Why you no wait for the candle to print, huh? Why you no wait?
For candle printage. I mean, fuck it. If this candle pulls up, that means I secured better money than I would have. If it hit 75, I'm happy that I took it out at 60.
You like it to go too fast, Papi. I tell you all the time you go too fast.
Just looking weak, bro. Like it really wants to keep selling.
Sheesh. I don't know. SPX popping here a little bit, to be honest. SPX kind of going a little greeny right there. Could go either way. Could go either way.
He's rejecting. Look, this is a 1, 2, 3 reject on the stib. This keeps, the break and retest keeps holding. It just keeps falling.
There is a new scam that just hit the market that you have to know about. Funded Next Futures. Their rapid challenge is going to change the industry. Why are they calling it the rapid challenge? Because you could buy an eval and 4 days later, you can get your payout within 4 days. Industry leading speed. Make sure you guys check out Funded Next Futures today. The Rapid Challenge is changing the game. Make sure you use code BDM.
NQ's falling. ES is popping up. Look at NQ. Stop right here on top of that candle would have been good. There's the 50 right here. That was the final TP at 50. If this starts to reverse, look for longs. If not, areas of interest are at 940.
Yeah, that's short. That short is
funny, bro. Why did I trail like a hoe?
Look at that. Breaking the wicks to the downside SPX. This could get ugly for NQ. Llama, the short looks so good. Oh my God. We said yesterday that shit's going to drop 300 points. Did we not talk about that on the phone? We talked about that on the phone.
I got pulled out break even last night on that trade.
I did a recap post for my students. If you guys check the trade recap, I posted my gains and everything. Yeah, just under 30,000 in profits. Llama and I had a full discussion, and it's coming to fruition. Nothing better than that. I told Llama and Doc and a couple people that if they cut that fucking rate, we are short in this market.
No, we said short no matter what. Cut, no cut.
Just short it. Doesn't matter what happens.
I have areas all the way down here. This was a 100-point trade. I fucking hoed on.
You hoed it. I
trade close, bro. I never do that, bro. I literally said I'm just gonna leave it break even and let it run. I didn't. Extra 40 points comes out to what? like an extra band almost on top per account. Very nice. Yep. I have areas all the way at 934. Rate cut equals market dump? No, it doesn't. Rate cut usually means the market goes up, but they anticipated a cut and didn't cut, so it was going to short. But even then, I think the rate cut was already priced in, so I think it was going to short no matter what. And this is what it's doing. Matter of fact, if I type a message here and then I go to my open mod view, let me show you guys something. This is what I put yesterday.
Open mod view.
Look at this right here. This was yesterday at 4:01 p.m. I said, wonder if it'll go to 365 and then melt 500 points. And then if you look at the high over here, it went a little bit higher, but there's a 365 and it's down so far 300 points. And I wanted a 500 point meltdown. So I talked about this yesterday. I gave the area of interest yesterday, coming into fruition, just like that.
Oh, you give it the area of interest?
300 point. Woulda, coulda, shoulda ass shit, bro.
You
Called it
like
yesterday
it?
at 4 p.m.
You like to give area of interest, do you, puppy? Look at the short. Look at the short. Here it is. 300. We told them, Llama. We said it, dog. We said that shit. You're not going to get a level of entertainment like that anywhere else. A white guy pretending to be Asian saying Bobby. Where else can you find a level of entertainment like that? You guys can't.
Good job.
Oh, good job, everybody else.
Good job, everybody. The good cell right there. I tried too close. You gotta wait for candle print. I didn't wait for candle print to trail. See what it does at the 786. I mean, we're right around the corner. That was a 350 point trade. Fuck.
What?
My actual entry was all the way at 104. So this is a 150 point trade.
It's a beautiful trade. It's a beautiful. I'm about to YOLO like an SPX long.
You could. You have time. I mean, I want to see what we do at 936. I know ES has room a little bit lower.
Well, there's an MVG.
See how NQ reacts here.
There's an MVG above.
I'm definitely interested in catching along. It's just gotta give us something. Gotta give us something. We're right here at the fucking 786. You know how those levels react.
I know how them levels be reacting, twin. I mean, we're seeing some wicks on the downside here. It would be a crazy turn of event going long here and hitting like just 10 points. A 10 point, bro. A 10 point SPX ripper would be
945 is red folder on for Europe. That doesn't really matter for us.
Huge.
I want to see what happened here. We come 936. It'll be very good. You just have the levels sitting and they look real good.
Very nice. Oh, I see lots of profit to do in the chat.
The way ES is stalling here, if I see this,
ES is stalling. ES is stalling.
It's giving me like an indication it wants to go up. Look at the rounding. Look at the wicks getting shorter.
Oh, yes. Oh, go wrong, everybody. Hold on. Hold on, Poppy Max, I go wrong. I go wrong.
I go wrong here. Go wrong, everybody.
Oh, SPX. There we go. 42, baby. Ripping.
I want to see if we tap the 786 or not. That's giving me bullish sentiment like this, but I want to see if it gets a squeeze a little bit lower. NQ could not. If ES could not take highs, and NQ does, and then starts to reverse, I'll jump into the longs. I want to see ES stay where it's at, and NQ make like a little.
I know. Yeah, you know. It looks. Yeah, SPX might pump up here. And Q needs to get above like 75, 76, and I might test a one long. Ooh, here it goes. 66, I meant 66. Oh no, 76, yeah. That's a freaking pretty aggressive.
26,000. It's like a 30-point trade it can go for.
And Q, I like the SPX. I like the SPX YOLO long on the MVG above. You know what? I'm gonna test one long mini here. I'm gonna go long for one mini, probably around right here. And just see, because if we get above 75, I think we got free range for a little pump up. Oh, okay. Hold on. Yep, there it goes. Okay, straight to the MVG. Straight to the MVG.
What it does here?
Straight to the MVG. Oh shit. Oh shit. We cooking with gas. Whoa! I'm up 600 a con. Okay. Stop loss is up. Stop loss is up.
If we hit that 26K real quick. Like level.
I'm going to close one of my SPX YOLOs right here, up 14%. And I'm holding the long up 500 right here. Snipe that. Oh my God, we're ripping, baby. Let's go. Push through. How many do you think I just got, Llama?
Probably like at least 400 people.
At least 400 people. Bro, my mom walked in. Oof. Mom walked in. Oof. Right now, I'm up still at 400. Okay, and I just got tapped out of their $400 profit on the long, baby. $400 profit on the long.
I want to see NQ take a low and ES not take a low, and then I'll start reversing back until we could just take that same move, maybe the midline or something. It's got to do all of that for me to take a trade.
I took the little SPX YOLO long there, but the contracts didn't move. So I don't know if you guys know. So with options, when you have high volatility and moves like this, we just saw, since the IV is so high, we just saw a 12-point pump on NQ, but my contract only moved 11%. So look at this. I just YOLO'd $12,000 into SPX. And I only made $800 because of the IV. So when IV is so high like that, there's no point in fucking trading options at all.
This is where implied volatility.
Implied volatility is measured in options through a Greek called Vega. So the implied volatility of the day is based on a 1 standard deviation matrix, and it's added through the Vega of options contracts. And when that's inflated, you're basically, imagine a car you can get at the dealership for fucking $2,000, but then the next day you go in and it's at $3,000. And it's like, what? That's the implied volatility fluffing up the contract prices. So when you have that kind of fluff, it's best just not to trade options. Okay, this looks good. I'm about to get back in the long again. That's a structure break right there. And SPX is ripping. Max is option vomiting again to get it back. You know so much. I'm up fucking like 30 bands. Here we go. 3 bar. If this is a 3Z up, here we go. Whoa, there we go. We're up another 220, 300 per con, 400 per con. Here we go. Whoa, we're cooking with gas. 400 a con. I'm going to trim one right here. 425, 500 per con. I'm going to try and hold it. Let's move our stop loss up. Stop losses is up to 6,000 tree. Here we go, baby. Here we go. The long is long, and again, double entry here, up over 500 a con.
This print, you could be good here.
I like this. I want to see just a follow through up to like the 30s, a follow through up to the 30s, and I'm out. Oh, fuck, Big Daddy. Oh, my God, Big Daddy. You can't keep going long like that on me. Whoa. There it is. I'm up 900. 900. Stop loss is up to 20. Stop loss is up to 20. I'm up 900 per fucking con. You know what? Fuck this. I'm taking it. What am I doing? Fuck this. I'm taking it. It's right at the midline. Fuck this. I'm taking it.
I think it's just easy nowadays. It's really just easy.
Who just took that long with me? And who just took that schlong from me? And who just took that long with me? And who took that schlong from me? Yeah. Who took that long?
Hold on. I just got an email from VP CPAs.
Hurrah, Rama.
Oh my God, look at the 3 bar through. It's fucking gross. The print through with the retest continuation, that's a fucking quality right there. Next.
Oh my God. Those SPX contracts. Hold on. Holy long. If you're still in that, holy shit, you're up over 1,000 a con. Yo, and the SPX YOLO long is up fucking. Hold on, I gotta see how much that thing's worth. 7,300. Not bad. Lama, I know everybody eating on this reversal with me. I know everybody's eating on this reversal with me. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. Bro, I promise you, nobody in the game bottom ticked this motherfucker but me. Look at the copy arrows. Hold on. Oh, look at the pump. Lama, look at this. Nobody bottom ticked this motherfucker like I did. Literally, look at that candle. Get that gay shit off my post. Save that shit for their post. Don't put that gay shit on my post.
Let's see what happens here. If ES breaks back into orb, this might flip back down, but we gotta wait and see. We need ES to break back.
Bro, everyone in the chat is making bread. Making bread right now. I'm about to bust.
Look at this. This is interesting. We either 3 bar or we don't. One or the other.
Oh my God, a treasy up and we're going free range to 100. Treasy up and we're going free range to fuck! Oh my God, the long.
Loading. Look at this shit. What the fuck?
We're above orb. We're breaking orb. You gotta hold the long. We're breaking orb on SPX.
At this point,
this is max way entry on the long. Oh my God, hold the long, hold my schlong, hold. There's 100. Oh my God. Let's go. Hold
Hold the long 3-bar standardized practice, guys. Everyone's stop loss needs to be at 77. Bro, TPT closed you at 10K profit because that's the max you can get on a pro account. Congratulations, you're going pro plus. You're going pro plus, Tommy G.
Look at all those 3 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, Jesus Christ. There was no way people got pulled out of that.
Bro, this is that
was like the craziest.
This is the greatest max Wade trading day I've ever fucking seen. The confluence, the strategy, the everything. The only thing I can say is great job, everybody, for pushing the fucking button and taking that profit, baby. Congratulations. This probably had to be one of the biggest days in the Discord. The max way is the only way. Y'all do this shit every day? We do this every fucking day.
Literally every day for free.
For free. Go to all your other streams, go to all your other Discords, and right now just tell them Big Daddy Max just got 100-point bottom tick reversal, and all y'all
sell down for 150 and the buy up for 150. That's 300 points.
Lama rode 300 points south, and I caught the V shape. Nobody can 1-2 like me and my dog here. We are the greatest, most dangerous fucking trading couple in the game. And I'm the top, just so you know. We're a trading couple, and I'm a top. So just know that. You're a bottom.
You're the bottom.
No, you're a bottom.
You're the power bottom.
No, you're a power bottom. I'm the top.
You're literally a power bottom.
No, you have your sweet little chicken ass. I am the top. I'm not the bottom. Fuck you, dude.
You're bottom, bro. You're power bottom.
There's no way. You are definitely the bottom. Arm wrestle me for it.
Possible.
Oh my God, we're still ripping. There's 100 points. There's 100 points. There's 100 point ripping. Still ripping. Guys, I'm going to give you some free sauce here. Hold on. Let's actually give free chicken out right now. When you bust down, here we go. Hold on. Let's get ready for this. Let me get back into teacher Max. Lama, give me the screen, actually. I'm going to bless everybody on top of the profits. I'm going to bless everyone.
Do what you do. Do what you do, my boy.
Let me bless them real quick. Full V shape, where we did get entry at the bottom, which is awesome. This is where I entered on this candle, and I took profit right here at that midline. So that's a beautiful entry, and this was my exit. And guys, do I give a fuck that it kept running? No. Do I care that I only made 800 on my contract options and not 5,000? No, I don't care. You have to be happy with green. Green is green. That is the most important thing. Remember, the best traders on earth aren't the ones bragging about catching a full move. They're the ones bragging about catching a piece of the right move and making the right decisions. Let me explain to you guys something real quick. When you have a trend follows principles. What is the major principles of a trend? One, the basis of candles. Look at the 1-minute chart here. Look at the candles. Or let's go to the 2-minute chart here. What does this beautiful picture tell you? We have a higher high and a higher low on this candle right here. This is the first candle that signaled a potential reversal. When this candle dropped and got bought back up, this was your signal. This was our entry. I was early, but this right here, let me show you guys something. On a true trend, right? All candles will print the story for you. All you need to do is move your stop to the higher low when we have a trend. If you have the principles of candlesticks, trends will give you a higher high, a higher low, and a continuation. All you need to do is move your stop to the next candle low, and you can ride it all the way up safely without any risk having to be on the chart or during your trade. Taking the risk off the trade is the biggest and greatest thing you can do to be a consistent, successful trader. And all you have to do is follow the trend. Look at the path down. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Reversal possibility. If it breaks back down, then what's the phrase we always say? There's nothing more bearish than a failed bullish move. That's your re-entry market structure break for the short. However, it confirmed on these candles right here the possibility of a reversal. So all we need to do from there is ride the candles wave up. We bottom tick in and we ride the wave back up. That
is how simple trading should be. Stop overcomplicating it. Stop oversizing it so that one wick crushes you. Instead, dig into the trade, scale into the winner, and use the momentum of the candles to paint that picture for you, because that right there is all you need. Look at SPX right here. Beautiful picture. Higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low. Look at those candles. Nothing tells you that you have to exit. Nothing tells you that you have to stop. Nothing says that this is going to go back down quickly. None of it. All of it just says it's going to go up, and you can keep it cool, calm, collected, one and done, finish your day, and have one of the best trading days you've ever had, totally free, right here on the Big Daddy Morning Show.